Hi everybody, welcome to our channel by name Learn and Earn Digital World. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Nifty Index future chart movement on Wednesday, that is on 24th November 2021, just before the expiry day, that is of the monthly contracts expiry and even the weekly contracts expiry happening on tomorrow. So directly we'll jump into the Nifty chart. You could see on the screen as the market opened on 24th November on the morning 9:15 time. It was, the trend was confirmed to be uptrend only, but here and there it was making movement of 50 points or even 40 points down, then sideways, but it was going uptrend only. See, if you could see here, these three indicators are lying on the candles. That indicates there is no clear trend formation formed here. 1 minute, 1 second. Yeah, chart is loaded now. So see, there is, clearly the uptrend only. There is no even confirmation of the uptrend also, because all the three indicators are lying on the candles. On the candles means it is completely sideways. It should be like this. The indicators should be above the candles, or it should be below the candles. If they are below the candles, then it is uptrend. Then if they are above the candles, then confirmation of the downtrend. So if you could see, even if you want to trade here also, you can enter and then you can exit very quickly as soon as there is a formation of two green candles, and then two red candles formed here. Then you can exit here if you are buyer, option buyer. Else, if you are option seller, you can go for the selling the opposite of the premium, and that is opposite of the trend created. See, we'll check out this now. At 2 o'clock sharp, there is a confirmation of downtrend here. It is 17,575 is a premium. You can select either this strike price or this strike price. We can go for selection of 17,550 as the strike price, and we will analyze that chart. Yeah, this is the option chain data of the expiry of 25th November 2021, and this is the data after completion of 3:30, that is trading hours of Wednesday's date. It is 24th November. We'll go for 17550 P, because that moment of time the future premium was 17,550 rupees. So here you can see here there is a clear indication of all three indicators are below the candles. So this is a confirmation of the uptrend. So if you enter here at 50 rupees, very easily you can book the complete trend, because there is no indication of the reversal of the trend. Even if you exist here also by having a panic situation, easily you can book more than at the price of more than 100 rupees. That means the amount what you have invested is double. How much you have invested? If you have invested 5,000 rupees, you will get 5,000 profit. If you have invested almost 10 lots, just an example, if you will get 10 lots of profit, how much amount you have invested, that much amount of profit you will get here. But if you want to book the whole rally which is going by the market, then you have to wait till here, and you can book at just before closing hours of the market. So very easily you can book for the 3 times the money what you have invested. This is of the option buying. If you don't rely on buying the options, then if you want to go for relying, you are very much interested with the option selling with huge amount of capital, then you can go for 17550 CE. At that moment of time, what was the premium? See, CE, the moment was on the amount was at 80 rupees. If you sell only one lot of Nifty here at 80 rupees a point, very easily you can capture this complete 70 points. You can, if you book at 10 rupees also, you can book complete 70 points. 70 points in Nifty is nothing but one lot is having 50 quantities, 3,500 rupees as the profit. But the major condition for this is you need to have a approximately 2 lakhs of capital for selling one lot, because always option writers need very huge capital for option selling. You should keep it in mind, because if the trend get reversed, then they will there is a loss of very huge capital. So keeping that in mind, they have made a very huge amount as the capital required for option selling. Going back to, as part of the expiry day for tomorrow, if you can expect is what is the pre-open market analysis is. The analysis will be like, if the rally continues, the same rally continues from 17,367 is the closing price, we can expect around again a down rally, because overall if you see, even though there is a rally of almost how much 100 points up rally, from there also closing price it has fallen more than the rally what happened in the upside direction, that is one minus 127 points it has been fallen from the closing price. So if the same rally continues, it might go till some more 100 points downside. By keeping option buyers in mind, what you can do is, once the trend is confirmed in the morning before 9:30 or even 9:20 around time also, you can enter the trade which are nearer by selecting the strike price which is nearer to the spot price. Always buyers always rely on the strike price which are near to the spot price at that moment of time. I'm specifically mentioning, I'm repeating again, at which moment of time the trend has been given by the market, at that moment of time only you need to check for the spot price and then the selection of the strike price. But if you are option seller, then you should go for the selling the out of the money strike price, that is C means this side, the one which are below the spot price, P means the ones which are above the spot price. This side is the PE premiums, the left ones are the CE premiums. If you are not having proper knowledge on this, then you can study the option chain data, why strike prices are having a different gap with the consecutive 50 points in Nifty, and why it is 100 points in Bank Nifty. Those all things we should be aware of before doing anything like buying, or if you are an option trader, you should be aware of all this complete information about the option chain data. So hope you enjoyed the complete information about the Nifty post closure as well as pre-open market. So enjoy the profits what you got either today, I mean, because the rally was huge. So if you could have if you have captured the complete rally, then obviously you will get 4 times the amount what you have invested. Similarly, if there might be a rally happening on expiry day as well, but always wait for the confirmation of the trend, then only enter the trade, else wait for the opportunity, because in market always there will be opportunities. Not even a single day there will be. See, we could even see the history of the charts. See, on this day 22nd November, there was a huge rally, there was opportunity, complete opportunity for PE buyers. Again from there 23rd it has came down to same price from the bottom to the 17,600, then it has closed at the same price. If you could see the chart here on 22nd November, it is on Monday, the premium was at around 12 o'clock, the premium has reached 17,600. The same premium has reached now, that is on today 24th of November at 12 p.m. But if you would have buy here or whatever, if you have made an entry here by mistakenly or opposite of the trend, then if you have a big capital to, I mean, what I can say, to hold the data positionally, then you would have made, I mean, cost to cost exist at this moment of time. So always if you are doing a trade in options or Nifty, you should always have a capital, very good capital of buying and selling. If you like the content of the video, then do like the video. If you are visiting first time, then subscribe our channel, so that whatever video we upload in our channel, you will get the alert notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Have a profitable day and expiry day. Enjoy your profits. Thank you so much.